Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2015 Kawasaki Versys 650. This is Kawasaki's midsize sport touring adventure motorcycle. Has the 650cc 2-cylinder fuel injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has 13,107 miles on the odometer. This bike is all stock and in great condition. ABS brakes, has new tires front and rear, OEM hard luggage. Bike runs great, nice upright seating position, very comfortable, very versatile, good for trips, and priced at only $54.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.